Guys hear that noise? Yeah, it can get pretty annoying. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you, for any Jeep owners out there, when you have this loud squeaky problem underneath your car, this is exactly what you have to do. Two things that you will need: a pair of rubber gloves and a good old grease gun. Okay, you can pick up a grease gun at your local auto parts store. I don't recommend to go too cheap on this because I went through one and didn't work at all. And get yourself some good old grease. So at first, when I thought it was coming from my tie rod or my drag link, either or. But further coming to indicate it was coming from the ball joints. It was actually coming from the lower ball joint. So I got mine's, I got Terraflex upper and lower ball joints. And as soon as I greased them, that noise was completely gone. So, yeah. So if that noise, that loud screeching problem is coming underneath your car, it's definitely the ball joints. Well, if it sounds like mine's. Okay, so you found this video useful, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. I'm actually gonna upgrade my lift kit to a 4.5 inch, 5 inch in the front. So guys, stay tuned for that. I'm really excited for that, and I'll show you guys what it looks before and after. Peace.